Before buying a pickleball paddle, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, TNVINA Pickleball Paddle. Let's kick things off with the TNVINA Pickleball Paddle, priced at $42.99. What caught my attention is its multi-layer T700SC textured carbon fiber face, which really stands out. If you want a paddle that offers strong spin and power, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The multi-layer T700SC carbon fiber provides great power and easy control, meaning you can hit with precision and spin, crucial for winning those tight matches. The polymer honeycomb core also gives you a larger sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits. It's remarkable that this paddle has a 4.8-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, indicating that a lot of people are loving it. Now, some people complained about the grip size being a bit tight for larger hands. Here's the thing though, if you have average-sized hands, you're going to find this paddle quite comfortable, and you can always add grip tape if needed. This paddle is perfect for you if you're looking for a serious upgrade to improve your game. Skip this one if you have larger hands or prefer a more spacious grip. For the price, it genuinely gives you high-quality features that can elevate your play. Now, if the grip size concerns you, the next paddle takes a different approach. Product number 2, VUFOXT Pickleball Paddle Set. Next up is the VUFOXT Pickleball Paddle Set, which you can grab for just $37.99. This set includes 2 paddles and 4 balls, making it a fantastic deal. If you're a beginner looking for a comprehensive kit, this is definitely worth your attention. The paddles are lightweight, weighing just about 7.8 ounces, which makes them easy to handle without sacrificing power. The polymer honeycomb core contributes to improved stability and durability, ensuring your paddles last through those tough games. Plus, the wide body design gives you more sweet spots, making it easier to make solid contact with the ball, which is especially helpful if you're just starting out. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 2,200 reviews, this set clearly resonates with users. However, a few users noted that the paddles felt a bit flimsy after extensive use. But here's the thing, for beginners and casual players, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. The performance for the price is pretty solid, and you aren't investing in a professional paddle just yet. This set is perfect for you if you're new to pickleball or just want a fun way to play with friends. Skip this one if you're an experienced player looking for a high-performance paddle. For under $40, you really can't beat the value here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious players. Product number 3, AOPOUL Wood Paddle Set. Now let's talk about the AOPOUL Wood Paddle Set, which is the most affordable on our list at just $27.99. This caught my eye because it comes with so much: 4 paddles, 4 cooling towels, and a carry bag. If you're looking for a fun way to introduce pickleball to family and friends, this is a fantastic choice. The paddles are made of 9-ply poplar hardwood, which is more durable than typical wooden paddles, and they're lightweight enough for quick swings. The wide-body design helps beginners connect with the ball easily, which is a huge plus when you're just getting started. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 1,900 reviews, this set shows that users appreciate its family-friendly approach. But look, if you're just playing for fun with friends or at family gatherings, this isn't going to be an issue. They're sturdy, reliable, and perfect for social play. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to enjoy pickleball with a group. Skip this if you're serious about competitive play and need a high-performance paddle. The value for the price is simply unmatched. Now, if you want something closer to the professional side, the next paddle could be what you're looking for. Product number 4, Dinkley Pickleball Paddle Set. Next, we have the Dinkley Pickleball Paddle Set, available for $44.99. This set is tailored for those who want an aesthetically pleasing paddle without compromising performance. If you value style along with substance, this set deserves a serious look. The paddles are designed for beginners and feature a 14 polymer honeycomb core, which gives you a large hitting area and makes it lightweight for easy handling. The graphite fiber surface not only looks great but also provides excellent shock absorption. With a solid rating of 4.7 stars from 1,100 reviews, it's clear that this set has struck a chord with players. However, some users found the paddles slightly heavier than expected. Now, some might see this as a drawback, but I think it adds to the feel of the paddle, especially for those who want more control during play. If you're a beginner, you'll still benefit from the extra weight when learning. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish paddle that performs well, particularly for casual play. Skip this if you prefer an ultralight paddle for fast-paced games. For the price, the combination of design and performance really stands out. Now, if you're really serious about your game, the last one might be the best for you. Product number 5, GARYE Pickleball Paddles Set. Finally, let's look at the GARYE Pickleball Paddles set priced at $39.99. This set is USAPA approved, making it a great choice for those who want to compete. If you're serious about your pickleball game, this one is definitely worth considering. The paddles are constructed from premium carbon fiber and feature a thicker design for enhanced performance. The comfortable grip is designed to absorb sweat, preventing slippage during intense rallies. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 1,300 reviews, it's evident that many players appreciate these paddles. Some users noted that the thicker design might not be as quick to maneuver as slimmer paddles. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for power and consistent hits, this thickness actually aids in that stability, especially for intermediate players. This is perfect for you if you want a paddle that balances power and control for competitive play. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter paddle for quick responses. For under $40, you're getting a solid investment for your game. So there you have it. Each of these paddles has its unique strengths, so think about what matters most to you in your game. In summary, we looked at the TENVINA for power, the VUFOXT for beginners, the AOPOUL for family fun, the Dinkley for style, and the GARYE for competitive play. Each option brings something different to the table at an affordable price, so pick the one that suits your game best.